Welcome to our tutorial. In this video we will show you how to export your investigation and additional tags as a file and share them with your colleagues. You will also learn how you can import them without sharing information with anyone else. You see here a graph prepared by an investigator. How to create one, you can find in our previous tutorials. To save the work, simply click on the export function on the upper right toolbar, choose the GraphSense file option with the extension GS and the graph will be downloaded to your computer. You can now upload this file into a shared folder or send it per email to your colleagues. To import a saved file, let's first clear our dashboard by using the New Sheet function in the upper right toolbar and confirm by clicking Yes. Now, click on the Load function on the same toolbar, choose the GraphSense file option and select the file you wish to open. Your investigation is now shown on the dashboard and ready for further inspections. To center the graph on the screen, use the Center function. There are two additional saving options. The tag pack file with the YAML extension. This allows you to store the annotations created during an investigation locally on your computer and to share it with your colleagues. These tag pack can be loaded in the same way as the GraphSense investigation files. The third option is the graphics file with the SVG extension. With this you export the generated graph in a vector format, which can be used as image for case documentation. Please keep in mind that all the investigations you perform and the graphs you build with the basic version of Iknaio Pathfinder remain in your browser and will get lost if you do not save them as a file on your computer. This is because, by default, Iknaio Pathfinder does not send any sensible information, such as case investigations, back to us. For institutions who would like to share cases, we offer a dedicated case management add-on as part of our professional package. That concludes our tutorial video on exporting and sharing investigations using the Iknaio Pathfinder. For additional guidance and more video resources, kindly visit the documentation on our website.